Hello researchers, I'm super excited to show you the diagrams tool in AnswerThis, and when you head over here you'll be met with a screen that looks like this. Now in the top left we see a prompt bar where we can describe what we want inside of our diagram, and if we scroll down we can also see the different types of diagrams that we create. There are flowcharts, state diagrams, there's even mind maps, pie charts, and pretty much anything that you need for your research. Now if we head back up to the description, let me just show you an example of what one of these diagrams can look like. So let's say make a complex Python flowchart is what I've asked. If we scroll to the very bottom here, we see the generate diagram option. Let's click there. And on the right hand side, as you can see, our flowchart has been made. We see the start option at the beginning, and then it goes through this complex Python diagram of how we can create a computer operating system, and you can read into the different things here. I'm not a computer scientist myself, but if you are and you want to update the content that was used inside of this diagram, we can select this update content option. We can describe the changes we want to make. We can make different pathways anywhere within this chart. And if we want to update it more directly, we can also click here and see the inside of the code that AnswerThis used. We can change the text that is displayed as well as some of the other options, as you can see here. Other things that we can do from this menu, we can scroll around by just clicking and dragging on the option here. We can also zoom in and zoom out, as well as download the diagram if we wish. Now let's dive into another diagram that we can make of AnswerThis. Let's go for pie chart this time, and let's say in the description for AnswerThis to do something more accurate where we can actually look up the information and see if AnswerThis got it correct. So let's say make a pie chart with different populations according to each continent, something that we can literally look up on Google and verify. We'll click generate a diagram again, and on the right hand side, as you can see, Asia has the highest population as we'd expect, and the other populations are listed out as well. Now, of course, we can go back up to this update contents bit. We can say exclude men from the populations. If we press the little tick option here, we can see that AnswerThis has went ahead and updated the pie chart accordingly. And of course, we can go into the code, we can change the title of the pie chart to anything we'd like. And as you can see, I updated the text for the title, and you can do all other sorts of things with that code bit as well. I hope you found this super valuable, and if you did and want to see more tips for researchers, feel free to go over to the AnswerThis YouTube channel to find more resources just like this. And again, thank you so much for watching.